The whole of last week, I was craving some carrot cake. And when I decided to make one for myself, I said, why not film it and share with my community? So today, join me as I make this very fluffy and yummy carrot cake recipe. It's so simple. I'm sure anybody can put this together. So let's get started. So in my mixing bowl, I'm going to add in some oil. I'm using canola oil. You can use any oil that does not have too strong a smell. Okay. I added some sugar and then I'm going in with some eggs as well. I'm going to whisk these three ingredients together until they are well combined. If you don't feel comfortable using oil, certainly use melted butter, but most likely the texture of the carrot cake will slightly differ, but it will certainly be extremely delicious as well. So don't worry about that, okay? Once the mixing is done, I'm going in with some vanilla essence. You can use any flavoring of your choice. I just chose vanilla because that's what I have mostly in my house, okay? And then I'm going in with the dry ingredients. So I am sifting my flour into my wet ingredients. Yes, I know what I'm using to sift the flour. I didn't find my usual sieve, so I settled for this. I don't know if it's a basket or whatever, but yeah, it works. So I went in also with some baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and then some ground ginger, fresh one, okay, and some nutmeg, powdered nutmeg. So I'm going to give this a mix. Remember, do not over mix your batter or mixture if you like, okay, or else your cake will be too dense. When we say it will be too dense, you will not get the fluffiness that you would enjoy in your usual cake, okay. It will be compact. I don't know how else to explain it, but you will not like the end result, the texture, okay. So please don't mix too much. Once the flour disappears, you know you're good to go, okay. So once this is mixed properly, we are going in with the last ingredient, which is the star of the show, which is my grated carrot or our grated carrots. Okay, mix that in with my spatula. Once again, make sure to not over mix. Once the carrot goes into every bit of the mixture, you just stop right there. Okay, if you're new here, hello, my name is Yasmin. Please subscribe to this amazing blooming family and also turn on the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you'll be among the first people YouTube will notify. If you're a returning subscriber, also thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I'm truly grateful for every like, every share, every comment. Please continue to do so and support my channel. Thank you so much. So once our mixture is done, I'm going to go ahead and transfer into my baking dish. So I have oiled and floured this pan or bowl rather. I'm going to pour in my mixture and then we'll put it into the oven 160 degrees Celsius for max 30 minutes. And then once you insert your skewer and it comes out clean, the cake is ready. Now this is my cake is ready. I cooled it down for about 5 minutes before taking it out of my baking dish or bowl. Okay, and look at that, looking very yummy, very attractive, inviting. Okay, and the fluffiness is to die for. Trust me. I hope you are inspired to try this very simple recipe. Everybody loved it. I'm not even kidding. And just like that, we've come to the end of today's video. Please give me a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment down below on your way out. Let me know if you are trying this very soon. The measurements for this recipe will be listed in the description box, so do check it out and tweak the quantity according to your recipe, okay? And until we meet again, keep blooming.